to another video. Boy, you see me rolling up this video? I'm trying people. It's the holiday season, trying to bring out the holly jolly elf. You know how it is. Anyway, in today's video is another decorate with me video, you guys. I've been at it. I've been having some I filmed, some I haven't filmed, because initially I'm planning on doing a Christmas home tour this year. This will be my first time doing it, so I'm still wrapping my head around it, trying to place it on a schedule. So what I don't film as decorate with me will all be revealed in the home tour. Okay, so you want to hit that, just so you know, that's the first home tour, period. Like I didn't even do a home tour when we moved in here, so you might want to come back and so in this video, guys, I'm going to be decorating my living room, my main tree in my living room area. You guys, I really fell in love with this tree design this year. If you guys are new, I did mention on my other videos that this year I was going to do a new theme, which was buffalo check. I have done a farmhouse Christmas theme for the past 3 years, and I absolutely love that style. However, this style, you guys, I'm in love with it. Like, I'm actually a little bit shocked that it took this long for me to get to. I'm a black and white girl. Like, I like black and white. Most of my decor is black and white. However, I do like the woodland. I like the natural. I'm old soul, so I love the bricks and all that stuff. So doing this buffalo check theme was a long term coming. I know I might be late to the game because buffalo check has been out for so long, but again, I'm the type of person that I don't really go crazy over what's trending. I know that may seem odd. I'm not going to go, if something is trending, everybody's doing it, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait till I die down, and then all of a sudden I get a love for it. So even though it was go whole crazy buffalo check, everybody doing it, I'm looking at it like it's too much. Now some people are getting tired of buffalo check, and I'm just getting on game with it, and I love it. So that's the theme I went with in my living room area. And you guys, it really set the stage. Like, I love looking at my tree when I first walk in, because it's literally the first thing you see when you walk in the door, and you will see that once you come back to the home tour. So without trying to make it too long, it kind of is already long, but you know how intros are. What can I say? So we're just gonna get straight into this video. Get you then. So every year I add lights to my tree because I just like the extra lighting, and these are actually twinkling lights. Now this tree I've had for like 4 years, so when I set this one up, I noticed that the middle section is out, so I tried to put more of the twinkling lights in the middle. But the way that I'm decorating this tree, you're probably not going to notice that there's little lights in the middle. So I went with the burlap and the buffalo check. I did a whole mini tutorial on how I put ribbon and mesh on my tree on my last year video, and I will link that. That's why I didn't really go too much in detail about decorating this tree, because it's the same method. So I will link that video, but just showing you what I put on my tree. This year I wanted to go with a tree color. I did get this from Walmart. I wanted to try something different other than the skirt, and something that would still go with the theme, being that most trees, I mean, my tree always is in a corner, but most trees is in a corner. I feel that it's probably a better fit to have the collar, because the tree skirt kind of takes up a lot of room. In the past year, when I put a tree skirt down, it like goes all the way out to my couch, and it tracks a lot of dirt when it's like that. So I really like how I went with the tree color this year. Now on to my TV stand. I did get this garland again from Walmart. I think I paid like $10 or $11. This is very inexpensive, and it is a flock garland. So this, I don't remember the size, but I did end up folding it in two just to give it a fuller look, because I wanted to have a garland on my TV stand. So right now I'm just fluffing it up because I really wanted to have that full effect. These stocking hangers I've had for, I would say, 3 years, and I got these from Hobby Lobby on sale after Christmas. I said I wanted to put it out this year. Last year I didn't put my stockings because I didn't have a garland, and I don't know why. I think last year I think overall it was just busy. So this year I tried to put time aside to make sure that I could get things done. So this is the year that I wanted to put it out, and I went and got the garland and everything. This year I really tried to schedule things so I can make time to decorate. So I right now is just trying to arrange the garland so that it could kind of flock. If you notice, there's a lot of flock that's falling on my TV stand, which is why I had to like clean up a little with the furniture polish. I am gonna go behind off the camera and kind of vacuum around it just to clean it up in the front. And now you see me just putting in the twinkling lights in it. I got these in the pack from Amazon, and they're like all throughout my house, and they are remote activated, so that's a good sensor because I don't actually have to get up to turn these on and off. Like our remote is on our coffee table, so I can turn that off when we're having our little movie night, which, you know, this is the kind of time for it, the Christmas movies. Yes. So I wanted to fill in my garland with some red berries. I still wanted to tie in the red from the buffalo check on the tree, so I got these berries from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Some I got from Dollar Tree, some I got from Walmart. It's like a mixture. The deers that you see there, I did add them in off camera. Those I got from Five Below, and they were $3 each. The stockings I actually found from Dollar Tree, you guys. Dollar Tree. The stockings at Dollar Tree this year, yes. And those wooden ladders, I got those from Walmart for like 98 cents. So I was really trying to be on a budget this year because I know I wanted to kind of go all out this year. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to afford it, right? Because aside from decor, we got to put money aside for Christmas, so you got to do some budgeting with everything. Now, for all my oldies, you know I love my Lysol, and Lysol just about every fabric in my house, especially ones that don't, you know, wash every day. And for my pillows, instead of buying pillows every season, I just buy pillow covers from Amazon and I reuse them or buy new ones because that is more affordable than just buying new pillows.
So what I'm going to say, Christmas Eve is coming soon.
So I had this glass bowl with like the rocks I got from the Dollar Tree, and that was like my main design. So since I'm changing it up, I'm just taking this out. I just wanted it to be simple on the coffee table because we do use this a lot. So I went with the Epsom salt, creating that mini snow globe effect, and I did do a tutorial on something similar like this for another project. I will link that video on what I did there. So I'm just rearranging just stuff that I had on hand just to create like a mini scene. Now, if you watch that last video, you'll know my son really likes playing with the Epsom salt. So whatever I put on this table, a lot of the times is stuff I knew that if my kids play with it, it wouldn't be a big deal because it is an open jar. Like, I'm not going to decorate my house in a way that it's not functional. Like, that makes no sense to me. I want to make sure that everything I put in my house, it's still secured. So okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the little mini reveal of the living room area. Again, you guys, if you like these type of videos, please do go ahead and subscribe. It really does help the channel. It helps the video cycle, and it lets me know what you guys like or prefer. Don't forget to come back for more, and you guys remember to hit the bell, because the bell gives you the notification that you need to know when I upload all the videos and when I upload the whole talk, because there's some stuff in the living room that I did not film that is done. And if you watch my video prior to this, there's some DIYs that you may have not seen. Subscribe, stick around, and you'll see. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.